Looking for a reliable way to protect yourself on the road? The best dash cam for Uber drivers ensures safety, records every ride, and captures unexpected moments. Stay secure, drive confidently, and never miss a detail again. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. ROVE Dash Cam for Uber. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam is an outstanding choice for Uber drivers seeking superior security and crystal-clear recordings. Featuring dual-channel recording, this dash cam captures the front in stunning 4K resolution at 3840x2160p and the rear in 1080p, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, it effectively minimizes blind spots, giving drivers complete situational awareness. The front camera uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor combined with an f1.5 aperture, while the rear camera has an f1.8 aperture, delivering bright, clear images even in low-light conditions. The ROVE dash cam includes dual-band 5G Wi-Fi, allowing for high-speed video downloads up to 20 megabytes per second and easy access via the ROVE app on Android or iOS devices. This makes reviewing footage, sharing clips, and managing settings seamless. Additionally, the built-in GPS records routes, speed, and compass directions, providing vital evidence when needed. Advanced features such as motion detection, emergency video lock, loop recording, and voice guidance enhance the user experience, while a free 128GB microSD card ensures ample storage out of the box. The dash cam's supercapacitor guarantees long-term durability, supporting high-performance operation even under extreme temperatures. Overall, the ROVE R2-4K is a robust, feature-packed solution for rideshare drivers who prioritize safety, high-definition recording, and cutting-edge technology, making it one of the most reliable dash cams on the market today. Number 2. REDTIGER Dash Cam for Uber. The REDTIGER F7 NP Dash Cam is an impressive option for Uber drivers who need dependable recording and advanced safety features. With 4K front and 1080p rear dual recording, this dash cam captures fine details such as license plates, road signs, and unexpected incidents with exceptional clarity. The wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, maximize road coverage, reducing blind spots and ensuring you capture critical footage. The dash cam's superior night vision, enhanced by an ultra-large f1.5 aperture and HDR/WR technology, provides clear video even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for late-night rides. Wi-Fi connectivity and the REDTIGER smartphone app allow drivers to view, download, and manage footage instantly on both Android and iOS devices, with easy sharing of videos for insurance or personal records. Built-in GPS enables accurate tracking of routes, real-time speed, and location, providing reliable evidence during disputes or accidents. Additional features such as loop recording ensure continuous video capture even when the memory card is full, while the G sensor automatically locks collision videos to prevent accidental deletion. For added security, the 24-hour parking monitor records incidents while your vehicle is parked, although a hardwire kit is required for full functionality. Overall, the REDTIGER F7 NP Dash Cam offers a perfect blend of high-resolution video, advanced night vision, and smart features, making it a top choice for Uber drivers seeking dependable protection and peace of mind on every ride. Number 3. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam for Uber. The REDTIGER F7N Touch Dash Cam combines cutting-edge technology with convenience, delivering superior security for Uber drivers. This dual-channel dash cam records the front in 4K UHD using a Starvis 2 sensor and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear captures in 1080p FHD with a 140 degrees lens. The inclusion of WDR and HDR technologies enhances super night vision, allowing drivers to capture sharp footage under low-light conditions. A standout feature is the touch screen interface and voice control, enabling hands-free operation, locking emergency videos, and toggling Wi-Fi without distraction. The built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity allow drivers to track routes, speed, and location while accessing and sharing footage on Android and iOS devices quickly. Loop recording ensures continuous recording by overwriting old footage, while the G sensor automatically locks video during collisions or sudden movements. The 24-hour parking monitor offers time-lapse recording and event detection when the car is parked, providing constant surveillance. The dash cam comes with a 128GB micro SD card and supports expandable storage up to 1 TB, giving drivers ample capacity for recording long journeys. The REDTIGER F7N Touch combines user-friendly controls, high-resolution recording, and smart safety features, making it a reliable companion for rideshare drivers who want peace of mind and evidence-backed protection. With this dash cam, every ride is recorded in vivid detail, day or night, ensuring safety, accountability, and complete coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. Number 4. REDTIGER F17 Dash Cam for Uber. The REDTIGER F17 Dash Cam is designed for Uber drivers seeking comprehensive 360 degrees coverage with cutting-edge recording technology. Featuring triple-channel recording, it captures footage from a 4K front camera, a 1080p interior cabin camera, and a 1080p rear camera, covering every angle of your vehicle. The front camera provides a 150 degrees view, the cabin camera 160 degrees, and the rear camera 155 degrees, ensuring no detail is missed during rides. Equipped with upgraded 5G Wi-Fi, the REDTIGER app enables instant access to videos, route replay, and GPS data directly on your phone. Enhanced night vision, supported by WDR and HDR technology, ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions, while dual recording modes allow drivers to switch between 4K front/1080p rear and 2.5K dual-channel recording for flexibility. The dashcam also features triple parking monitors for maximum protection, time-lapse recording, collision detection with a G sensor, and interior monitoring while parked using a hardwire kit. With GPS functionality, drivers can accurately log speed, routes, and locations for evidence during accidents or disputes. The REDTIGER F17 stands out with its combination of high-resolution video, comprehensive coverage, and advanced smart features, making it an ideal investment for rideshare drivers who want complete security and reliable documentation during every trip. Whether driving day or night, the F17 ensures every moment is captured in detail. Number 5. VANTRUE Dash Cam for Uber. The VANTRUE Dash Cam is a versatile and reliable dual-channel camera tailored for Uber, Lyft, taxi, and delivery drivers. It offers front and interior recording with 1944p front and 1080p interior resolution, and the front camera supports 1440p at 60 frames per second for enhanced clarity. Wide-angle lenses 158 degrees front and 165 degrees interior ensure maximum coverage of the road and cabin, capturing every detail for safety and accountability. The dashcam incorporates Sony Starvis 2 technology and dual HDR, producing exceptional video quality in low-light conditions. Its infrared LEDs on the interior camera provide clear nighttime images, while the rotatable 45 degrees lens allows flexible recording angles. VANTRUE's built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS logging make previewing, editing, and sharing videos easy via the VANTRUE app, while tracking routes, speed, and location for precise record-keeping. The 24/7 parking mode, with motion detection and collision-triggered recording, ensures constant protection, although a hardwire kit is required. Additional features include smart voice commands and an emergency button for hands-free operation and quick video locking. Installation is simple, with a magnetic mount for easy adjustment and quick removal. Supporting up to 512 GB external memory, the VANTRUE Dash Cam provides ample storage for long-term use. With superior video quality, smart features, and all-around protection, the VANTRUE Dash Cam is an ideal choice for Uber drivers seeking reliable safety, detailed recordings, and peace of mind on every ride. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.